What's up, dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a game-changing technique for you: how to manifest a text from that special someone in just a few minutes. Plus, we're adopting the mantra, I don't chase, I attract what belongs to me. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set your intent. First things first, grab your phone and take a deep breath. Focus on the person you want to hear from. Envision their name popping up on your screen and set a clear intention for that text to arrive. Step 2. Positive affirmations. Now, let's reinforce that intention with positive affirmations. Repeat after me. I don't chase, I attract what belongs to me. Feel the power in those words and believe that the connection is already strengthening. Step 3. Gratitude. Express gratitude for the incoming text. Thank the universe as if that message has already landed on your phone. Gratitude amplifies manifestation energy. Step 4. Visualization. Close your eyes and visualize the text notification. Imagine the words, the excitement, and the positive vibes that come with it. Make the scene as vivid as possible. Step 5. Release and trust. Release your intention to the universe and trust that it's on its way. Remember, I don't chase, I attract what belongs to me. Allow the process to unfold naturally, and there you have it. A quick and effective technique to manifest a text from your crush. If you're trying this out, drop a comment below with your success stories. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share the love. Remember, you don't chase, you attract what belongs to you. Catch you in the next one.